Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am back today because I received my second subscription box. This is only the second time I've gotten it. This is for the month of November. This is the Allure Beauty box. I've been tremendously, pleasantly surprised at this beauty box. It is $25 a month, and it's just a really good subscription. You get a lot of full-size products and a lot of high-priced products that you can try. So, of course, it arrived damaged. This is a very thick box. Like, this is like 3 layers of cardboard. So somebody had to literally pull that down. Luckily, I don't know how, but this flap was not up and nothing fell out. But at least I don't think anything did. So let me set that over there. It just comes with a couple of gift guides, the GQ box for men, giving the Allure Beauty box gift subscription, and then it gives you information on all the products that are included. As well as in the back, it gives you a gift guide. So, let's start with what they have here, which is called Medic 8 Crystal Retinal Stable Retinal Night Serum Next Generation Vitamin A. It says use in the evening, first cleanse, and then apply this Retinal 3 over face and neck. Allow to absorb, and then follow up with a moisturizer. This should be phased in gradually. Use twice a week for the first 2 weeks, every other night for the next 2 weeks, then every night. It says you'll love a retinal, if you're a retinal newbie, it says, or a diehard fan, this serum's for you. It has 0.03% retinaldehyde. The gentle concentration is great if you're giving vitamin A a try for the first time, or if you already love retinal's line smoothing, glow boosting powers, but don't care for the potential irritation. I guess retinal can cause your skin to get red or flaky. But this lady says, my skin can be sensitive, but I didn't experience any redness, flaking, or irritation with this product. If you're working to undo the hours you spent outside this summer, this gentle retinal can help reverse new dark spots, and it's a great time of year to tackle that project. Super creamy texture melts into your skin, making it a joy to apply and easy to layer under the rest of your nighttime routine. It retails for $64. And then they give you a promo code. So I'm excited to try this. I'll have to wash my face at night in order to use it though. And I'm bad about that. The next thing that we have is the Palm All-in-One Cuticle and Nail Cream. I could definitely use this. Without soft skin and hydrated cuticles, even the freshest crimson manicure won't seem nearly as shiny. To keep hands and cuticles looking their best, stash a tube of this cream in your handbag. It feels super lightweight and sinks in as you rub your hands together. Nourishing ingredients like sweet almond oil, shea butter, and grapeseed oil go heavy on the hydration, so you're left with smoother hands and a delicate citrus scent. Throughout the day, after you wash your hands or when you reach for something else in your purse, reapply a pea-sized dollop onto hands and make sure you rub it into your cuticles while you're at it. The retail price is $28 for 22 milliliters, which is what this is, 22 milliliters. So I'm excited to add this to my little daily routine. So that I can, because I do my own manicures, it'll be nice to have that. Then next we have MUDMASKY Vitamin-Infused Scalp Serum. Maybe your scalp is feeling dry and itchy as the weather turns colder, and mine has been very dry and itchy. I don't have dandruff or anything like that. It's just dry, and I don't even shampoo my hair every day. I do it every other day, but it gets really dry. Maybe you could use some TLC after too much blow drying. This silky serum is easy to apply. Its texture is reminiscent of a facial serum and soothes the scalp with calming, cozy ingredients like honey, chamomile, and macadamia oil. Subtle herbal scent, plus the fact that you massage it on, makes the whole experience relaxing. Your scalp will feel refreshed and ready for the next styling session. After showering, when hair is still damp, warm up 3 drops by rubbing them between your fingertips. Massage onto clean scalp, making small circles. Finish your routine as usual. The leave-on serum is invisible in your hair and calmed blaze itchy scalp on the spot. So it's dandruff control, scalp soothing, repairs hair, volumizing, anti-hair loss. I could use all those. Fragrance-free, vitamin-infused, and pH balanced. And it's made by MUDMASKY. Retails for $72. See what I'm saying? You get this full-size products. And you only pay $25 for the, okay, Belif Moisturizing Balm Toner. November has a way of zapping skin of moisture, but Belif's toner can stop all the dullness. It's packed with hydrating ceramides to flood skin with moisture for a softer, dewier complexion. Pat a dime-sized drop over your entire face after cleansing. You can use it morning and night. Try it under new Cetaphil moisturizer to really amp up your hydrating game. Now see, I think I can only use one moisturizer at a time because I have oily skin. So I would never use 2 moisturizers, but I'll use one at a time. This is very tiny. It retails for $30. It's a moisturizing balm toner. Oh, I hope it doesn't blow up. Dermatologically tested. Provides a comforting layer of moisture. So that is called Belif Moisturizing Balm Toner. I don't know why they call it balm. I hope it's not too much oil. And then we have Natura EKOS CASTA Creamy Shower Gel. So it's shower cream for the body. We are vegan. Our products contain Amazon bioactive ingredients, keeping the forest standing. Using a moisturizer post-shower is the best way to lock in full body hydration, but there are days when you may not want to add even a few more minutes to your routine. That's why this body wash is so brilliant. It behaves almost like a lotion, keeping skin hydrated long after you leave the shower thanks to omega-rich Brazilian nut oil. It transforms into a pampering foam as you apply it and fills the air with a warm, appealing scent that lingers throughout the day. And 30 milliliters retails for $17. I wonder if I could smell it. It's probably got a thing on it. Yeah, I can't smell anything until I open them. Next, we have Amika, the Kure Multitask Repair Treatment. This slick, thin formula takes only 1 minute to work its magic. Moisturizing butters and bond-building amino acid get right to work, making your hair glossier, softer, and so much easier to brush through. Knots are history. After shampooing and conditioning, drench your hair from root to tip. The treatment spreads on easily. Rinse after a minute and go about your routine. Detangling any knots will be a breeze. You get 30 30 milliliters in, or 1 fluid ounce. But 200 milliliters retails for $30. So another hair product. And then we get Cetaphil Healthy Renew Night Cream. Purified peptides. Nourishes nightly to visibly reduce the look of fine lines. I should not have any lines at all. All those products. This is like your softest pajamas. This rich cream is a comfort you'll look forward to at the end of the day. It smooths on easily, sinks in quickly. There's no residue rubbing off on your pillow. Only smoother, dewier skin by morning. Well, I hope that doesn't mean it's oily. But I'm willing to try it. And then we also get a little HelloFresh 18 free meals. 3 surprise gifts. I'm so tempted to try the HelloFresh. And I may sometime. So that is the Allure Beauty box. Like I said, we get so many products. As you can see, we get 1, 2, 3 of them are full size. And you get all these new kinds, and like $72 for that. So if you enjoyed this video, tell me which one is your favorite product. Which one would you most like to try? And yeah, I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.